cockatoo. These birds may not have the largest vocabulary, typically learning around 50 to 150 words, but they make up for it with their charming personalities. Cockatoos are emotional, social birds that form deep bonds with their owners. Their speech tends to be gravelly and loud, but their enthusiasm and expressiveness make them great companions. Cockatoos are also famous for their dancing skills, often bopping to music and showing off their fun-loving attitude. However, they can be quite needy and require a lot of attention to stay happy. Cockatoos can live for anywhere from 40 to 60 years, so they are a long-term commitment. Also, you need to keep in mind that without proper mental and physical stimulation, cockatoos can develop destructive behaviors, such as feather plucking and excessive screaming very quickly. They need large cages and plenty of toys to keep them engaged. A well-balanced diet, regular vet checkups, and a predictable routine are essential to maintaining their health and happiness.